Good night, guys. Welcome back. This is Adrian from Elite Educators, and we have a question brought to you guys by Pavan. Pavan, thank you very much. This question will not only help you, but it will help everyone else who views this video. Now, let's get to it. So, question number 10. Edison cut a rectangular strip of paper 30 centimeters by 24 meters. He took a piece of thread and measured the distance around it. Now, first up, I believe there is a slight error in this question. 24 meters is huge. 1 meter is from one of my fingers on one hand. If I stretch out my hands to the other finger, a meter is huge. So I believe the first thing is it is supposed to be 24 centimeters, because as you guys can see in the diagram, the 30 centimeters is larger than the 24 meters. If we have to draw that out, no way 30 centimeters, which is 1 foot 12 inches on a ruler, is larger than 24 meters. So let's go back. Edison cuts a rectangular strip of paper 30 centimeters by 24 centimeters. He took a piece of thread and measured the distance around it. Well, first up, distance around any shape is known as what? Starts with the letter P. Yes, it is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around any shape. And for a square, it is just side multiplied by 4, because squares have 4 equal sides. And for a rectangle, it is still side plus side plus side. Plus side, 4 sides, but we do have different names. The long side of a rectangle is called the length, so 30 centimeters will be the length. The short side, 24, will be the breadth or the width. So what we say is, because we have 2 lengths and 2 widths, perimeter is equal to multiply by length plus breadth, or length plus breadth multiplied by 2. Right? Either way, you'll get the same information. So to get the perimeter, we just say 30 centimeters plus 24 centimeters multiplied by 2. So 30 plus 24, that will be 54 multiplied by 2. And that will give us a total of 108 centimeters. Now, that is a perimeter, but let's read more. He then took his scissors and cut off small 4 centimeter squares from each corner, as shown, and obtained a new shape as shown below. He then measured around it with the same piece of string. Do you think the distance around it will be the same as the original paper or less? Write a reason for your answer. Now, notice what he did is he cut, so the important part is that he cut off small 4 centimeters squared from each corner. Now, check this out. I wonder if I could zoom in. Yes, I can actually. So I want you guys to notice this, right? He cut off a small 4 centimeters squared from each corner, right? So if we look at this, I'll change the color to green. This part that he cut off, right, would be, he cut out 4 centimeters squared, so this is 4 centimeters. But that side that he cut off will actually be replaced by this side we have to measure, which is 4 centimeters as well. This side in red that he cuts off, which is 4 centimeters, will be replaced by this side, which is 4 centimeters as well. So guys, by cutting a square, we are losing 4 centimeters, but we're gaining 4 centimeters on one side. On the red, we're losing 4 centimeters on one side, but we're gaining 4 centimeters on the other side, right? So therefore, if we look at it, the distance around the new shape, also known as the perimeter, is the same as the original. Oh guys, just by the way, sorry for my voice. I had creative writing classes this evening, and I always lose my voice after that class. And right now it is almost midnight. Right, it is still 108 centimeters. And for the essay exam, if we have a question like this, wait, why is this not shifting? We would write a good proper answer would be that the distance around the new shape is the same as the original. So I'll just write it for you guys. Actually, well, that was the same thing it had here. So the reason being is that the distance around the new shape is the same as the original, because the parts that were cut off, so the 4 centimeter that was lost, replace is the same as the original, right? So the new edges, which were 4, were replaced by 4 centimeters as well. Therefore, the total distance around the shape remains unchanged, right? So the answer is, do you think the distance around it will be same as the original paper or less? And the answer is, it is the same, and because the amount that we cut off was replaced by an edge of that same 4 centimeter length. And again, remember for this, it can't be 24 meters, then it will be too long, so it has to be 24 centimeters. Anyhow, guys, hope this helps. Take care and have an awesome night. Peace.